Alright, so I already started, but we're replacing the steering damper. And what it does, it just absorbs the shock in the steering when you're driving and you hit bumps. It does a little bit. I honestly don't think it does much. Or I don't think they do much. Whatever. Unfortunately, this side is in a tight spot, so I get to use a wrench. Although I might have an angled ratchet, air ratchet I could use, but yeah. Hopefully there's no nut back here, because if there is, it's gonna be a pain. All right, there is a nut, but it feels like it's wedged in. Uh-oh, start moving. Nope, still good. So the new one did not come with any hardware, so I gotta make sure not to break anything. This bolt looks really good considering how old it is. This is 77. I can't really read. It's too dark. It looks like an old bolt. There we go. Old. My helper went to go eat, so I gotta do it on my own. And new. Okay, well, it's very firm. Well, that might actually work. Okay. Maybe we did need a new one, because this one's pretty bad. Well, that's gonna be fun. Just turn the wheel to the right. Oh, nope, let's turn the wheel to the left. Line up these two holes. There's a hole right up here you can't see. Well, that's easy enough. And yes, I'm going to cheat. You don't have to set it on hard, you just put it on easy. Apparently I do need to set it on hard. Yeah, I'm going to keep going. There's still a little bit of play in there, so. There we go. This is actually quite a simple job. Just 2 bolts. They weren't even stuck on. And it's fairly accessible. You guys catch that? I smashed my finger. You know, they make a better tool for this. Let me go get it. So out of these ratcheting wrenches, I've had them for about 24 years. I've only had one go bad on me. I was able to fix it. It kind of got the spring tensioner wouldn't ratchet anymore. It got rusted, I'm guessing. I was able to repair it. I just soaked the end of it in some like a lubricant, WD-40. And then once you get down to where it needs to be tightened, switch over to the box end so you don't tear up the ratchet. And then there you go, steering stabilizer replaced.